to the rhythm of the rhyming in your system, cause tonight you're gonna get 'em with a simple sleight of hand. Easy on the breath and now take your first step now. Here comes a pity, now he does the best he can. They'll be singing, where on earth did you come from, son? Right out here in front of everyone. Ain't you scared? Ain't you afraid? Didn't someone tell you you were great? I do it for emotion, I do it for the hope, I do it for the passion and the pain and the love. I do it for the art, I do it from the heart that drives me home. I do it 'cause I'm weightless, I do it for the blind, I do it for the making when the mood is right. Oh, as if you people thought I had a choice. I do it for the noise. Easy on the pacing, know your heart's racing, nobody's faking, now you've earned their love. You were nothing, now you're something, keep on strumming what you're dreaming of. Cause they'll be singing, where on earth did you come from, son? Right out here in front of everyone. Ain't you scared? Ain't you afraid? Didn't someone tell you you were great? I do it 'cause it's mine, I do it 'cause I choose, I do it for the rockin' and the rhythm and the blues. I do it 'cause I care, I do it just to share my story here. I do it for the beauty, I do it for the beat, I do it for the rumble underneath your feet. Whoa, as if you people thought I had a choice. I do it for the noise. I told you people that I'd make it out. Now I'm sitting here on stage, screaming out loud. I do it 'cause it moves you, 'cause it's the way I walk. So you look me in the eye when we need to talk. I wanna touch your lives, I wanna touch your soul. So just so you know, I do it for the pain coming through this guitar. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I wanna be a star. This music is my purpose, this music is my voice. I do it for the noise. This music is my purpose, this music is my
Settle down for Brodeur. Out of the corner now, Martin plays along the board. Hickinen settles it down. One-timer, Soderberg.
Celebrating with 1 second left. 3-1.
The first two games they played in the playoffs back in mid-April, they lost.
Then they won the next 4 and the 2 rounds after. They have been absolutely relentless. Brind'Amour with the net empty. Pronger shrugs it away. The Carolina Hurricanes have won the Stanley Cup.
Rob Brind'Amour, I'm proud to present this to you.